Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to another edition of It's Your Film. Tonight we're at New Metro at Hyde Park and we're about to watch the premiere of a scam called Love. Let's see what it's all about. Follow me.
I'm running on the streets, I know. I'm bringing your peace, of course. This game I know for boys. I do me no control. I don't have to call, they call. I pray to God to give some more. Mama, they were paper rolls. I'm running on the streets, I know. I'm bringing your peace, of course. This game I know for boys. I don't have to call, they call. Yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know. Yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know. Yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know. Yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know. Okay, if you take it, never break it. I'm so premium to say this. My buzz are like the thunder saying hurricanes. You're like margarita, so you're shaking. I'm sitting on top, I'm capping. You know that I know, let's rap it. I know you'll be giving me calls. I'll be saying, let me talk to your bros. Who responsible towards your noise? I'll be ripping your head, it's your loss. I'm back at it again like the camera did.
Thank you very much. I don't have much to say, just big thanks to our production team, our post team, all the cast, our incredible cast, thank you. Everyone across the entire crew.
Rudolph is our producer and just saw our vision and made this possible. So yeah, enjoy it.
We now invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the main view.
Will you marry me?
Huh?
We both could get what we need.
What I need? What?
Cash.
Why do they doubt the kid?
So you must be Julian.
How you doing? Family dope. Thank you so much, brother.
Two passionate creatives in a rushed marriage spells a recipe for disaster.
For success.
Success is death. What else could it be?
Loved it, loved it, loved it, loved it. I loved it, I loved it, I loved it, I loved it. Funny, interesting, beautifully written. Actors, characters, loved it. It's been a long time since I've seen a South African film, guys. I don't want to lie, but this was completely worth it. Want to watch it again because it was just that good.
Wow. What? Damn. Guess family come first, right?
Obviously, Didn't Know is simply amazing, but also Toby Bamfetai, brilliant. I had never seen him before. I love the fact that I got introduced to him with this film. He's really an amazing actor. Didn't, my girl, you're gorgeous.
That's one luxury I cannot.
That's it for tonight. I'll see you at the next premiere. Invite me, guys. Invite me. Maybe I'll bump into you.
And I'm supposed to be treated like some Zulu king, you know, claim that throne right there, you know.
The Zulu king slept on the floor. Better for their backs.
Ow.
And I'ma do it again. Watch me win.